Hey guys, we received this Kingston Iron Key keypad, 200 USB-C, 256 gigs encrypted flash drive. So this is for test and try, and this is a OS independent, means it can be used in a Chromebook, Mac, or Windows, wherever you want to use it. So this comes in a nice secure pack, and the basic thing is this have a keypad on the top, so you can store, you can give a password on the pen drive itself or this flash drive, and then you can also have this cover so that it will be secure, and you can easily carry with this the keyring on the back. So it's a USB-C drive that you can use on laptop like say your MacBook or stuff. You have to give it some time to charge a bit, but then I will show you the password process. Hopefully this is fine, and you can see like it's blinking, so it require for the first time with the thing. So here is the process how you can put in the password, because with the this key and that have this the key button on top. And
So this is how you have to put your user password. So just to tell you, it's a 8 digit and not a consecutive numbers, or there are certain rules for that. You have to press this key and then the flashing red and the green key. Double click on the this key button and then enter your password. Double click again to enter your password again, and then once you are all done, you press that key button again 2 times, and then this will go from solid red. This shows that your username is all set and then comes back to the solid green. So once this is solid green, that means your username is set and your drive is open. When this is solid red, that means your drive is closed. So this is how this is done. So now the username is all set. So now this is the green solid light. That means my flash drive is on. So I can use it. Now this is red again, for example, after 30 seconds. So I have to put in my password again and then put the key button. This will go from solid red to solid green. So my flash drive is on. When I put in my PC, just say it recognized it as it's open, and I can now copy, paste, or read files or do anything. So I'm pasting a folder here and then copying a file just to see the speeds and then how this is gone. So I can read and write now with this flash drive. So copying speed is really fast, and this is all set. So now I will try to show you that eject this drive. So once I eject this drive, this shows the red button like from the green, and then I will just take this out. So this will show the red and then close. So now say if I try to put it again without entering in my password, so this will just show flashing key button. That means it requires a password to put in and then nothing will show up on the screen. So once I put in the password after putting in the key button, so once I put in the password and then put in the key button, it goes from solid red to solid green, and then I can see my files here. So this is a really nice encrypted drive which will not work. So you have also set up a admin password. So for the admin password, you have to open your drive first and then keep pressing the number one and double click on the key button. So you can now enter in your admin password, repeat it, and again press 2 times the key button, and then this will be all set. So admin password have its own open up the all features of the drive, and then you can use it the way you want. Really a nice encrypted drive for your storage, and you can take it anywhere and then set this up. So I will say it's a really nice encrypted drive for use.